How to return an item on Shein. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find this message icon. Click on it. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find this section of orders. Click on it. Now in this page, you're going to find all of your orders. And at the bottom of it, you're going to find the option of return order option. You have to click on it. Select the item that you want to return. After selecting the item, you will need to provide a reason for the return. Choose the appropriate reason from the list provided. Next, select the return method that suits you best. Once you have filled in all the required details, go ahead and submit your return application. This app will now verify your purchase with seller. After submission, you will be notified if your return is eligible. If approved, follow the instructions provided for returning your item. And that's it. That's how you easily return items on Shein. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.